Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to .programming.blogspot.com. Today we will learn how to insert items into database table using Entity Framework. In previous video tutorial, I have already learned how to create a database using Entity Framework in Windows Form. I have two class, that is student class ID and name. The database table name is represent the class name, and the database name is represent in data context class, which is here. Check my video to previous video tutorial for learn how to create database using Entity Framework. Okay, today I am talking about how to insert item into database table. So in the form 1 constructor, that is the data context, which is appear here, data context. The data context retrieve tables, database tables by this property students. Okay, so now first of all make a instance of data context and invoke this property students and add these items into the students class. Okay, that is student class. So take a single button control on form 1 and raise an event of button click. So data context represent here. Make this instance of the student class, also add some items into the student class. Now add this item into the data context. Using the instance of data context, you see you can access the public property of students, that is students dot add it into the table. What? That is the instance of st. Okay, now changes perform dc dot save changes, message box dot show inserted. Okay, now first of all run the SQL server. That is the name, select name of the student. That is the name of the table students. Yeah, ID and name. No one tuple here, so remove it and run it. Click on button, your data is inserted into the table. So again check it. Yeah, that is the ID of 3 and Bill Smith. ID is automatically generated because when we create a students class, and integer items like the ID and serial number is by default use a primary key and automatic increment. So thank you very much for inserting item into the database table using Entity Framework.